everyone, it's Peter here. We got a Lenovo all-in-one. I'll turn it on. As you can see, we get a display damage, leaked out. So my offer for this customer, because we see that the rest of the computer is working, is an odd one. That's why I wanted to show to those who don't know what to do in that case. Now, if that would be a touch screen, customer would have to pay about £300 for the screen, yes, in this particular model. Because it's a not touch screen, the cheapest part I found, yes, was on AliExpress, and that was about £75 plus VAT, so we're talking about 90-ish pounds, yeah, 90-ish, and 30 odd quid for the delivery, so that would be over £120 for parts, yes. And because child have done it, there is a risk that child can do it again. So I said to the customer, let's buy some old monitor, you know, like whatever, even as old as my one is, because that's priced for like 30 quid. And let's take out the main board, let's take out the power supply and the power button. Let's try to make the part of the enclosure of this main board, you know, original one, and let's put it in some container and let's mount it at the back of the monitor. Yes, let's plug in everything together, connect, so it will work, and then they will have again the same computer. They can have this size or bigger screen size, up to them, because you see through HDMI it's working fine. So in that case, that's what I've offered to the customer. Yes, so that's just a quick guide for you what to do. I will be probably doing it, and probably, you know, I'm just waiting on a customer. She's waiting on her husband to come back home and speak about it. So they will make the decision. Either they want to order the display from AliExpress, wait on it, you know, and have the risk that kit can cause further damage later in the future, or buy some cheap monitor and transfer the content of the computer part into the external enclosure, which will be mounted at the back. Yeah, so that they need to make this decision. I won't be continuing this because I see that I'm repeating myself. So guys, that's what I would do, you know, that's what I offer to this customer. If you have better ideas, please do tell me. I don't want to check what the LVDS connector is and trying to find, you know, different maybe monitor which would be cheaper than this £120. I don't want to do it because, to be true, it's a lot of hassle. Yes, I need to go for a lot of hassle, and then customer will have to pay for that as well. So cheaper one is just to replace with, you know, have this kind of monitor, or cheaper, dear, whatever, you know, and just mount it on that, and that's it, you know, job done. Let's say 1 to 2 hours work and customer should be happy. Yes, so the cost wouldn't be, you know, wouldn't be for sure, even I would say we shouldn't go above £100, including everything. Yes, I would say below, fix would be below £100. And then again, if child would knacker that one, you know, we will spend only on the monitor, to be true again, and the box, you know, with a computer can stay the way it is. So, you know, future problems could be avoided, you can say, on a cost, looking at the cost. Yes, so that's how I look at it. But I would be happy to see what you think about it if you've got better ideas. That's it, guys, in this video, to be true. Let's wait and see what customer will tell. I'll order stuff, or I'll do what I have to do, and then we might have additional part to this video, and we will be doing that as a repair. Thank you, guys. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye bye.